A fox can hear a heartbeat under 2 feet of snow, but that's not even the scary part. The scary part is that a fox can watch you walk toward it for exactly 4 seconds and already know which way you're going to move before you know it yourself. It's not magic, it's not luck. It's a hunting skill so precise that military researchers have actually studied it. And once you understand how it works, you'll never look at a dumb animal the same way again. Here's why this matters to you, and not just fox lovers. The exact same prediction trick foxes use is being used on you every single day, by poker players, by con artists, even by algorithms tracking your clicks. Learning how a fox reads movement is basically learning how prediction itself works. So let's get into it. So picture a fox in a snowy field. It goes completely still. Ears up, body low, eyes locked on a spot in the snow where it can't even see anything yet. That stillness isn't patience, it's calculation. Researchers in the Czech Republic studying red foxes found something wild. Foxes consistently jump in the same compass direction, northeast, when hunting by sound alone, almost like they're using Earth's magnetic field as a targeting reticle. Nobody fully knows why, but the leading theory is that it helps them line up distance more accurately, like a rangefinder built into their skull. Think about that. A fox isn't just guessing where a mouse is. It's running a calculation involving sound, snow depth, and possibly magnetism, all before it moves a muscle. Now, here's where it gets personal, because this next part isn't just about mice under snow. It's about you. Foxes are ambush predators, which means their entire survival depends on reading tiny, involuntary movements, a shift in weight, a twitch of muscle, a change in breathing rhythm. This is called reading tells, and it's the same skill poker players spend years trying to master. A fox watching a rabbit doesn't wait for the rabbit to run. It watches the rabbit's back legs tense first. That tension is the tell. The run hasn't happened yet, but the fox already knows it's coming, sometimes a full half second before the rabbit commits. And here's the human angle. Our bodies do the exact same thing. Before you consciously decide to reach for your phone, your shoulder subtly shifts. Scientists call this anticipatory postural adjustment, and it happens in humans too. A fox, over millions of years, evolved to read exactly that. It's not psychic, it's just paying attention in a way we stopped doing a long time ago. Here's the twist, and this is the part people always want to screenshot. You'd think foxes are just fast. They're not really. A fit human can outrun a fox in a straight sprint over enough distance. So how do foxes catch prey that's often quicker in short bursts? They don't chase the prey. They chase where the prey is going to be. It's called predictive interception, and it's the same math NASA uses to land a spacecraft on a moving target. A fox tracks the angle and speed of movement, then commits to a spot in space before the prey arrives there. That's why a rabbit can be zigzagging like crazy and still get caught, because the fox stopped watching the rabbit's body 2 seconds ago and started watching its trajectory instead. In other words, the fox isn't reacting to you. It's reacting to a version of you that exists half a second in the future. So here's something to sit with for a second. How often in your own life are you reacting to what's happening right now, instead of reading the tells and predicting what's coming next? In your job, in your relationships, even in traffic, the people who seem lucky or sharp are often just doing what the fox does. They're watching the tension in the legs, not waiting for the run. Let's bring it home. First takeaway. A fox doesn't hunt with speed. It hunts with prediction, calculating a target before it even moves. Second, those predictions come from reading tiny, involuntary tells, the same kind your own body gives off right before you act. And third, Mastering the future isn't about seeing further ahead. It's about paying closer attention to the present moment than everyone else bothers to. If this kind of animal behavior deep dive messed with your brain a little, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, because next time we're breaking down the octopus trick that even scientists thought was impossible until they caught it on camera.